What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about an very up and coming logistics company that is extremely exciting, and that is going to be ParcelPal. You know, this one has obviously been requested quite a bit. A lot of people are kind of sending it my way because of my vision for drones and package delivery and everything that I'm presenting in my videos. So it makes sense. But I'm excited to provide the content to you guys just based on ParcelPal. I think that it's a very up and coming company that is traded over the counter. I'm just excited to provide the content to you guys because I think this company really is going to be something special. So if you're interested, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before we talk logistics and ParcelPal, I ask you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go. You guys are aware of how much of an impact really logistics and I guess you could say package delivery and everything that is related to that has been with the pandemic. A lot of people were having to resort to order a ton of stuff online, and really it became that much more important even in 2020 leading into 2021. And what is absolutely amazing and very unique is that a lot of creativity is starting to evolve from package delivery. We're starting to see a ton of different avenues that can be taken, whether it's like an air taxi, air mobility aspect, or it's a drone delivery. We're starting to see all kinds of different options pop up. And so when ParcelPal was recommended to me, I really started to dive in, do some research, and I think that this company is going to have a significant role. I really do. I think that they have a very bright future, especially in the logistics. It just depends on them continuing to grow, expand, and do a lot bigger things. And obviously, that's what companies have to do anyways, so it only makes sense. So let's dive into this right away. I'm excited to provide the content to you, no question. So here we go. ParcelPal is a leader in the growing technology and logistics industry. ParcelPal is a customer-driven courier and logistics company connecting people and businesses through our network of couriers in cities including Vancouver, Calgary, Toronto, and soon in other major cities in Canada wide. Some of our verticals include pharmacy and health, meal kit deliveries, retail groceries, and more. Guys, that right there ties everything that I've said this entire way when it comes to drones. And they have a major player up there in Canada in Dragonfly. They also have another major player in the drone segment, and that is Drone Delivery Canada. I'm sure there's others, but those are the two that immediately popped in my mind. Guys, everything that they listed as far as some of the things that they plan on delivering can all be delivered by drones. So that's something to always think about, and that's something we're going to have to continue to think about as we move forward with any logistics company. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to go through their investor presentation and really kind of give you my thoughts as we go through this. And like I said, guys, I think logistics are definitely going to be taking it a step further, and really kind of always keep that in the back of your mind as we're going through this presentation. So here we go, and I'm beyond excited to provide you this mission statement. It says our mission is to be the most convenient delivery service in the world by providing people with the goods that they love anytime, anywhere in less than an hour. Less than an hour. Think of a device that could deliver less than an hour. I got one, and it says we are the Uber of things. I like to hear that as well. I like everything that was said right there. It's exciting. It says we have created an app with supporting technology which enables businesses to provide on-demand delivery to their customers. To date, ParcelPal has fulfilled over 5 million deliveries and counting. It says consumers have instant access to the goods they want on demand. Our verticals include food, alcohol, cannabis, medical, or recreational. And it says groceries and more, and I think that's significant. All that can be delivered from a drone. So you guys are going to see that right there. It talks about consumers, ParcelPal platform, and it talks about businesses and how they can all correlate and collaborate together. I think that's significant. So it says value proposition. Consumers, the ability to order anything, anywhere, end-to-end GPS tracking and dynamic ETA updates, one common user-friendly interface across all retailers and on the platform, in-app customer service enabled, as well as in-app payment and tipping. Very, very cool. Hopefully, that is a continued process. It says businesses easily enables in-demand delivery of their products to customers, increases customers' reach and sales through their ParcelPal customer network, all-encompassing marketing platform coming soon with the access to customer data. Again, as this company continues to evolve and really kind of grow and expand, you're going to start to see more things like that from a technological side, but also from a logistics side, become relevant and really start being incorporated into the business model. And I like to see that. And so it says market opportunities. 61% of shoppers want their order within 1 to 3 hours. 61%. 56% of online consumers 18 to 34, that's age, expect same-day delivery or faster. Keep all this in mind, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you, 25%, the percentage of customers willing to pay significant premiums for the same-day or instant delivery. 72% of retailers do not offer same-day delivery or faster. So if they're truly trying to make this happen, I can think of a device that can make this happen. I would be absolutely ecstatic to see this company get involved with drones, or a company that is involved with drones. There's nothing that says that they have to absolutely go out and make their own drones and partake in their own, going through all kinds of processes to get the drone procedures done. They could partner with someone like Dragonfly, like Drone Delivery Canada. I mean, there's a lot of options that are out there, and they could get that done. It says some of their partners: Shopify, Good Food, Amazon, London Drugs, Pure, Fed. I mean, those are some major, companies. I can think of one that's on there, two that are on there that I can think off the top of my head that are absolutely massive. Amazon clearly is a major player when it comes to logistics, if not the best of the best. And then you're talking about Shopify. Absolutely amazing. It says financial profile. ParcelPal has grown aggressively since inception. 2020 is looking to be a breakout year as company seeks to expand to Canada's population core with the major strategic partners. Obviously, this is kind of discussing some of the things that happened during the pandemic. I would expect a logistics company to really take that next step, really have a significant role because of how big the impact of the pandemic was. It says the company is nearing cash flow positive. The days of high burn are over. You love to hear that. You really do. From an investment standpoint, you want to make sure that the company isn't just blowing through cash, and you want to make sure that they become net positive. I like to hear that. It says major partners are ready to expand with company across Canada. Again, they're creating partnerships and they're ready to roll. You like to hear it. Stock price has not moved with business results. Great time to buy. So they're even, they're even promoting their own stock. That's absolutely amazing. Very cool to hear. It says yearly revenue growth. So in 2017, it really was not significant enough to really even report. 2018, it looks like it was a little bit over 3 million. 2019 looks like it was over 4 million. Probably 4.25 would be my guess. And then in 2020, they expect or did hit $8 million. So this company is showing projected growth. And those are things you like to see. You really do. I'm beyond excited, guys. So this final piece I'm going to hit before we really dive into the chart is their growth strategy. And this is what you want to hear from an investment standpoint. This is an over-the-counter. They can be very risky. Actually, they are very risky plays. And so you really want to understand what you're getting involved with because, like I said, they can be and they are very risky plays. So their growth strategy to continue to expand into larger Tier 1, Tier 2 Canadian and U.S. cities and grow organically in geographies where we currently operate: Vancouver, Calgary, Edmonton, Toronto. Expand our revenue diversification through large e-commerce contracts, Amazon subscription delivery, large retail, cannabis delivery. And then it continues. It says potential acquisitions, vertical and or horizontal. So they are actively looking to get acquisitions, and you like to hear that. Integrate artificial intelligence and predication algorithms into our platform to maximize revenue potential and customer satisfaction. Anytime you hear AI, it seems to boost the company that much more. Improve margins and profitability en route to becoming a cash flow positive business by the end of 2020. So it'd be kind of significant to see if they made that happen since we are into 2020. It looks like this, this presentation was done last year. So I'm beyond excited, guys. I really think that this has a huge potential. And, with them being in Canada and looking to expand into the United States and just taking that much of a step further, beyond excited, guys. Now, we have come to my favorite part of any video, and that is chart breaking down time. So let's swing on over here and check out ParcelPal PTNYF. So today it opened at 21 cents. It got as high as 22 cents. Its low as 18 cents. Volume was 2.56 million. You're looking at a market cap of 20.85 million. 52-week high is 23 cents. So it looks like we're flirting with that 52-week high. Its 52-week low looks like it's 9 cents. And its average volume is 855,000. So we are up in volume. The attention is getting, around this company. And rightfully so. It's a logistics company during a pandemic and coming off of a pandemic. So it only makes sense. Now, this is a 1 week chart, but today it closed at 22 cents. It was up 5.70%. And so like I said, you guys can see this 1 week chart has really had a significant increase in the upward direction. A lot of more attention's probably being involved around it. OTCs have been very, very, running rampant on all kinds of social media platforms, all over YouTube. I mean, it's just everywhere. So it only makes sense. And then they are doing some, good things. ParcelPal announces execution of new client agreements over the past month. 7 weeks prior to this, ParcelPal enters into a U.S. $5 million equity line of credit to facility to register on Form F1. So you're starting to see that they're going out to get $5 million. It says ParcelPal Technology Inc. reports record third quarter in 2020. So they had some really good numbers in 2020 leading into 2021. So all this makes sense why this company is now starting to not only gain attention, but really start to go up in stock price. I'm excited for this one, guys, and it's only going to go that much further if at some point they incorporate a drone aspect. I appreciate you guys swinging by and checking out this video on ParcelPal. I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do. I also want to remind you that this is an over-the-counter penny stock, and they are very risky plays. A lot can happen, so just make sure you guys are doing your due diligence. Make sure you guys are putting in the time, putting in the effort, putting in the homework to really understand what you're getting involved with. Again, just make sure you guys are doing that, and you're doing your homework. That's the biggest piece I can emphasize. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.